Let's learn how to create the November Dump Instagram story with the Add Yours sticker in just a few simple steps. It's really easy to do it, and just make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version before we start with the tutorial. So go over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and check if Instagram is up to date. Let's open the app, and then we have to go and search for a profile that's called Add Yours Extra. We will use this profile to find the Add Yours November Dump sticker because we'll need it in order to create our story. You want to open the November highlight and just find the November sticker. Tap on this button and it will open the sticker in our camera. I will then click on this button because I want to create a collage with 4 different photos, and you can then add your photos one by one. And you can then share the November Dump Instagram story with your friends and family members. Make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more videos like this in the future, and I will see you soon.